Hi everybody, this is Dr. Kashish Kalra, consultant dermatologist and hair transplant surgeon from Dr. Kalra Skin Clinic, which is placed in Jangpura Extension, New Delhi. Well, we all know we are passing through this very bad phase, and after a long hiatus of 2.5 months, we have started our clinic facility in Jangpura Extension from 1st of June. Well, the reason behind making this video is to educate and inform you regarding the safety precautions and the guidelines which we are following and we expect our patient to follow. The clinic is being sanitized thoroughly in the morning at the start of the day with necessary disinfectants. Appointment by the patient is booked well in advance, and in the morning these appointments are confirmed and set of guidelines and instructions are sent online to the patients and registration is done online. When the patient enters, their hands are sanitized, thermal screening is done, shoe covers are provided, and if the patient is coming without mask, then new seal 3-ply surgical mask is provided to the patient. Patients are requested to enter the clinic alone, and attendant have to wait outside in the waiting area or in their vehicle so as to avoid crowding in the clinic, which we all know is very crucial for maintaining proper social distance. In special cases like children, handicapped or in elderlies, one attendant can be allowed. The doors of the clinic are always open. Safety instructions and hand sanitizers are there at various corners of the reception and waiting area. The waiting area is marked with red marking tape to mark the area where patient has to stand. In the clinic, we are trying to follow no paper policy. As the patient is already pre-registered, there is no exchange of documents at the reception. The payment of fees is encouraged to be paid through UPI linked wallets. If needed, then cash or card is accepted as a last resort. In the doctor's area, the consultation is done through a CCS mic system. For a dermatologist, it is very essential to examine the patient closely, and this unique system helps me to examine the patient really well without any chances of cross-infection to both of us. The prescription is then sent to the patient on WhatsApp or email, and medicines can be collected from the clinic pharmacy. After the patient has gone, every possible contact surface is sanitized with disinfectants and mopping of floor is done. It is very important to adhere to these safety instructions, not only when you visit a clinic or a hospital, but in your day-to-day life as well. I always encourage my patients to go for teleconsultation and to visit the clinic only if it is indispensable. Your safety is our priority. Stay safe. Thank you.